swap bag. I bet you're wondering, Chris, why are you wearing the same clothes as you did in the past video? Well, that's because I'm starting this second video on the same day. What's up, everybody? It's your boy CSOTV, and what I'm doing right now is we're about to start work on the Z3. Yay! And the first thing we're gonna do is the soft top. Let's check it out. Now, as you see, the soft top is shit. It's fucked. Here, let's remove that. Look at that. Just get shit in there. Back window is hazy, and it's just not good. So we're going to replace that. We're going to replace it today. Hopefully we can get done with it today, but I doubt it because I got other stuff to do. I don't know if I'm gonna make this into a full-on tutorial on how to replace this, but it is what it is. So first, let's get the top about halfway up. So let's do that real quick. Pop that open, pop that, and we're gonna get it. So now that we got that, we've got to get, oh, come on, focus. We gotta get all these screws. We gotta get those screws out. All right, so after this railing comes off, I gotta pull this off. It's got glue and stuff on it. As you see, it kind of comes off easily. We gotta take these little rubber, I guess weather stripping off, if I can get a good grip. Okay, boom, that's off. And then you got these screws here. Now, if I were you, I will mark where some of these screws sit, because I believe that they have to be put back in the same place. So we're gonna take these out. And yeah, all right, so I kind of got this taken up. I realized I have the weather strip, whatever the fuck this is. I have that extra layer for weather, so I don't know if this makes it more difficult or what, but I'm just following the tutorial, so now I'm just gonna cut along the back of this and try to pull it up that way. All right, so we're back. I got my shit done. Let's get this back bar off. Gotta take these little clips out, pull it out, unbolt it, and do all that crap. So let me do that, and I think we can finish up the rest of this. All right, the new soft top is on, but not really. I've just got the screws put in on that side and over here, just so I can have it attached. Now I have to glue and staple these little ridges inside this little ridge. That'll secure the back, and now I'll put the back inside here, bolt it down, and the rear should be secure. So let's go ahead and knock that out. All right. Oh, damn. It's a new day. And we gotta figure out this corner. What I might do, I might just take this whole frame out. Here, let's bend this back. I might just take this frame out and undo this rivet that's holding these straps, and take the bar inside so I can do this. So let me do that real quick, and we'll go inside and try to see what we can do. What the fuck? I'm just playing. Got some King's Must Rise to keep me entertained while I do this. All right, I got everything unstapled, so let's try to refit this again and see what we get out of this. All right, let's do it. Right. I got the whole thing stapled on there. I still got to go through it, and put in more. Get out of here. Put in more staples in the middles, because it came with a lot of staples. The only thing is we came a little bit short. Focus. We came a little bit short right here, but I don't think that'll make too big of a difference. So yeah, we are almost there. That means staple everything up, and then we'll take it back outside. We got this motherfucker. We got this bad boy bolted up in the back. Got the sides done, and all I really have to do is get this top mounted over like this, and we're done. All right, kiddos, I just got done with the soft top. It looks way much better than it first did. Could have gotten it done professionally, sure, but who has $1,500 to spend? There are some imperfections. I'll fix them later, but for now, let's check out how the new soft top looks. So anyways, guys, that's the install. Appreciate y'all for coming back through and, you know, mess with the channel a little bit more. That's it. Thank you for watching, and you know, stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, all that bullshit. This wasn't really a tutorial, but it was just, you know, showing you what I'm doing. So anywho, catch y'all later.